So how effective is your business plan has a lot to do if you're going to achieve the objectives that you propose or your team brings to the table. Hello everyone, how are you? My name is Jose Taramona. This is Imparables, and one more time with Ludus Mastery. So today, what are we talking about? We're talking about business plans. If you are a starting up entrepreneur, if you're just small business, and if you want to do a business, so we'll talk today about how your business plan is and the questions that have come. But before that, please follow us in our social media. Click here, thumbs up if you like it, and thumbs down, of course, if you don't like it. So let's start. So what is a business plan? First question, what is a business plan? The business plan is a process in which you identify your objective and your goals and go towards how you want to accomplish them. All right, and that's a business plan. So it could be mid-term goals, it could be what we call priorities, long-term goals, but everything going towards a direction. Right? So many people start working, having a business, and don't have a business plan. So we're going to talk why it's important and what little things that you should consider in the time that we do a business plan. So how we do know your business plan is inefficient, and is when you don't have an objective. The first thing that you got to set up in your business plan is what we call in business a mission. Right? What is the mission of your business? How from here in 5 or 10 years your business look like? And then how can we reverse engineer that to get to the point of that? So if your priorities in your daily actions are not aligned to that big mission, your business plan might be inefficient because it's not going towards the objective to align to your main 10 years or 5 years mission. The main part of the business plan comes from the planning that you do, right? The most important in a business is the planning to me, or one of the most important process in the business. So how effective is your business plan has a lot to do if you're going to achieve the objectives that you propose or your team brings to the table. Another question that comes with that is how do we choose the right plan for our industry? So think about it when you create a business, you're starting a business, you have to have some characteristics to pass through the goods and pass through the bad, right? So you got to pass through good times and to times that are really, really challenging. So you need first of all, passion. You got to have passion for your business, okay? But passion is not the only thing that is going to drive your business to success. Right? You have to have a structure, and that's why the plan comes in place here. And the third thing, and I'm just going to talk about 3 things, you have to be sellable. So what I mean with that, you have to be able to sell what your business you're trying to make, right? Or your business have to be able to sell to the people that actually need your services or products. So it's a big thing of 3. It's not only passion, it's not only structure, it has to be able to become profitable. Okay? Because if not, you won't have a real business. So now it comes down to when we talk about, right, okay, business plan. So what's the difference to go following my plan or just going through the flow? There's many people that say, you know what, I just go to the flow. Things are coming, I'm making money, everything is good. So the problem with that is that you don't know where you're going. And when you don't go where you go, you can deviate to many other things. You can get distracted. You can get not knowing where to go. And remember, in business, it is not a middle stable point. Or you are losing or you are winning. This is not like a stable business doesn't exist. And so you are making money or you are not making money. You are growing or you are not growing. So it's not a middle point. So if you don't have a accurate and assertive direction, you're gonna go in a big loop of goods and bads and goods and bads instead of going forward towards a specific mission. So how do we start, right? What is the best advice? I don't like to give advice. I don't like to prescribe. You all know that if you are following us, right? But with something that I really do and I really give to people when I give some kind of advice about business plans, first thing, you do have to have a purpose. Your business has to have a reason to exist. If it doesn't have a reason to exist, you cannot commercialize that purpose, right? It has to have a commercialization of that reason, which we call a mission, right? For us is to help young and new business owners to get strategies and succeed in business. That's our purpose, right? And then we have a mission of how many people we want to actually help. So, but the thing is, to me, what is your mission? And the mission or the purpose is not a pretty slogan. It's not a pretty slogan. It's not. It's just actually what's the reason why it exists. Another thing that you need to have in a business is a mission. What is that number? What is that purpose? What is that point? What is that objective that you want to achieve in the long term? And of course, you have to have the structure and the passion for it. So have purpose, have mission, and have values. The values of your business determine the culture that you want, how much you want to serve, how much you want people to serve your business, how much your business have to serve your people, your team, your talent that is in there. So I hope this is a brief description of what a business plan has to come. You know, we have a lot of information about business plan and business and purpose and mission, which is a core basis of a business plan. So check us out more. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Imparables, and we'll see you in the next one.